As I stand by this beautiful river, surrounded by the lush greenery of nature, I can't help but marvel at the diverse wildlife that calls this place home. The graceful birds soaring above, the playful animals frolicking by the water's edge. It's a symphony of life in its purest form. Each ripple in the river tells a story of resilience and interconnectedness, reminding us of the delicate balance we must preserve. Let's cherish and protect these precious ecosystems, for they hold the key to our own existence.